Cravings for today's video ay nachos, fries, and shawarma. Every time na nasa Food Express kami dito sa Gateway, lagi kaming tinatawag ng shawarma shop. Nagulat kami kasi ang dami na rin palang bago. Or baka huli lang talaga kami sa balita. But aside from the famous buy one take one shawarma, meron na rin pala silang set meals. And in fairness ha, affordable pa din naman. Medyo nakaka-curious kasi madami ring bumibili that time, so we decided to give it a try. Let's go! Nag-order kami ng beef nachos, beef fries, chicken fries, a super meal set, and a rice set. The super meal set includes 2 tikka wraps, chicken nachos, and soda for 235 pesos. Yung wrap nila is soft and thick, medyo nasa sweet side, but I honestly didn't mind kasi masarap pala yung chicken tikka nila. You can really taste the spices and generous din naman sa chicken, so na-enjoy talaga namin to. Yung chicken and beef nachos naman was pretty standard. Kung toppings yung labanan, hindi rin talaga tinipid sa meat, veggies, especially sa sauce. Medyo sweet lang for our taste yung garlic sauce and cheese, tapos ang dami, so a bit